Not suitable for low clearance vehicles 2 miles ahead. Well, we ain't even going that far.
That's a
flip-up sign, so it must be whenever the road washes off.
There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember your name, cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, I was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of a river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la.
Everything's so.
La 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 la.
3 miles up, so I'm thinking it's
After 9 days, I let the horse run free, cause the desert had turned to sea. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The ocean is a desert with its life underground and the perfect disguise above. Under the cities lies a heart made of ground, but the humans will give no love. I see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la.
I think as of there.
La 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 la
Sunday, but I got so damn depressed that I set my sights on Monday and I got myself undressed. I ain't ready for the altar, but I do agree there's times when a woman sure can be a friend of mine. Will I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise?
Siren is when they open up the fucking gates.
Can't you see it?
I don't want to be on the news.
I've been one poor correspondent, and I've been too hard to find. But it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in the air? Will you love me just a little, just enough to show you care? Will I try to fake it? I don't mind saying I just can't make it. But I keep on thinking about you, sister, golden hair surprise. And I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent, and I've been too hard to find. But it doesn't mean you ain't been on the mind. Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in the air? Will you love me just a little, just enough to show you care? Will I try to fake it? I
Tony
don't
goes,
mind saying I just can't make
I
it.
carry a toe strap in a cloth. Guys got some it's pretty heavy duty. I go, oh, okay. So he goes, hey, the guy took the 25, so he goes, I got it. Well, I went over to help him because he was pulling his trailer out for some reason. It's Friday, so I went over to help him. I go over there and pull the boat out. He pulled the trailer out, and I hooked back in.
Yeah.
So, shows me a fucking thing is this wide.
Holy shit! Was he pulling semis with it?
He goes, I don't think it's a step. I said, your fucking truck will fall apart before that thing does.
Yeah.
Let's
Good
all go
grief.
I go, that's for a semi.
Yeah. That's what he's getting in the semi fuel.
Yeah.
We ain't had no time to drink that beer.
He said it too, you know. Is that a fire hydrant hose?
The name of the Sandman. He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned.
I would think this would be pretty good.
These are all locked up.
They are?
Yeah.
Ain't the years gone by fast? I suppose you have missed them. Oh, I almost forgot
These
to
are wanting to get
ask.
aggressive with the beeps.
Did you hear of my enlistment?
Steady beeping. Start yelling at you.
Funny, I've been there.
that sounds better than this guy.
It does.
He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned. I understand you've been running from the man that goes by the name of the Sandman. He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned. I understand you've been running from the man that goes by the name of the Sandman. He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned. I understand you've been running from the man that goes by the name of the Sandman. He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned.
Around.
The other side of that cove we saw.
There's a little girl out lying on her own. She's got
Got
a
a fucking
broken
trailer back here.
Really?
She's not the kind to take you
Another
down
one.
for long. She knows and plays it smart.
There. Campsite.
And if she's
I think the road
coming,
is
she's sure no more.
It's bad enough like Tony had that guy fucking trying to shooting. Oh, that's another road. Okay. Yeah.
Leaving and she don't know why. Without no bridges, she's trapped. So I sigh. Don't cross the river if you can't swim the tide. Don't try to die living on the other side all your life.
Son of a-
Cooking lunch.
Yeah.
You were on your own. If you want, you can ride my train and soon forget the reason that you're leaving. Lose yourself and then sometime, maybe even save yourself some grieving. Don't cross the river if you can't swim the tide. Don't try to deny living on the other side. Don't cross the river if you can't swim the tide. Don't try to deny living on the other side. Don't cross the river if you can't swim the tide. Don't cross the river.
At least it's nice to see everything green.
Yeah.
Sometimes late when things are real and people share the gift of gab between themselves.
That's what Denise was like when we were looking to get that
Some
Forerunner.
are quick to
It's like none of them
take
come off
a
the
bait and
suggested
catch
retail price.
the perfect
Because
prize
they
that
knew there was a
waits
shortage of them.
among the
Some of them
shelves.
was charging a premium.
But Oz never did give nothing to the Tin Man that he didn't already have. And cause never was the reason
Hey.
for the evening or the Tropic of Sir
Scrapper
Galahad. So
But,
please
Most of them are saying,
believe in me
it's hard to
when
find that
I
red shoe.
say I'm spinning round, 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 round. Smoke, glass, stains, bright color. Image going down, 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 down. So set green light up.
So, I even called Finley up in Prescott.
Oh, I was never did give nothing to the Tin Man
Everything we got ordered in.
that he didn't already have.
Okay.
And cause never was a reason for the evening or the Tropic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me when I say I'm spinning round, 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 round. Smoke, glass, stained bright colors. Image going down, 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 down. So set green light up.
A quick pull over sheriff followers.
Do what?
I said quick pull over the sheriff is
Oh,
following us.
I never did give nothing to the Tin Man
Search and rescue.
that he didn't already have.
If they were buried.
And cause never was the reason for the evening or the Tropic of Sir Galahad.
You want to stop, do another flight, or
So
I'm thinking lunch.
Lunch sounds good to me.
Believe in me. Ooh.
I thought they were parked close to bed.
Yeah, that definitely you don't want to hit that speed. So what did Denise have planned for today?
Chewing on a piece of grass,
Well,
walking
we're
down
going
the
to go
road.
to her mom's, have lunch with her. And
Tell me how long you gonna stay here, Joe? Some people say